Why do we yawn? It's not just because you are tired or because I just yawned, there is more to it. That deep inhale of cool air and the stretch of your jaw bring fresh blood to your head like a mini internal fan. Another theory, it's contagious. Yawning spread like wildfire because it's linked to empathy and social bonding. Our brain are wired to make next time you yawn, you are either cooling your super smart brain or showing someone you care. Pretty cool, right? Let me know why you think you yawn most. Subscribe for more awesome science. Thank you.